Alright, so welcome back to Gulfside Baitworks. This week for our color, it's this is a Wednesday release, so it's going to be a color. I'm doing one that I came up when I was screwing around, and I call it Brick Motor Oil. Originally, and we're going to start out with 20 drops of DOP brick. We got Dead on Plastics Worm Blend, and we've got the Angling AI 7-inch shaky head. That's what we're playing with today. Originally, I had, and again, 20 drops. Originally, I was actually trying to kind of orange up the I was trying to orange up this color, and I didn't want to make it too orange. I just wanted to bring out a little orange. And this is pretty red, so I thought if I added a bright yellow color, like say a chartreuse dye, that would do it. But when I added the chartreuse dye, which we're going to do 10 drops of, I ended up getting a color that looked pretty close to motor oil. And I was like, hey, that's kind of like motor oil. I love motor oil. Let's see where this road takes us. So it looked like motor oil, but I thought I could use some green. So we started adding green chartreuse dye, also from Lure Works. So that I added that. Now we're going to do 15 drops of this one. So yeah, that's everything we're going to put into it. Looks kind of cool seeing them all sinking in there. But yeah, that's it. Nothing else. We're going to mix it all together now. When you look at it here, it's just kind of that like reddish brown. There's a little yellow in there. But when it's thinner in our bait, you really get to get that green color in there from the green chartreuse dye. So yeah, I mean, is it the original MF motor oil? No, definitely not. But if you want the recipe for that, Bait Chuck put it out recently. He had the real recipe. But is it a nice little colorway? Sure, and it's something fun to make. The fish, I'm sure will like it. They're probably not as picky as you think they are, especially like bass. Alright, so, and here's where I drip some. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look like motor oil. So, you grab my injector here. We are a little cool. Alright, we'll heat it up real quick. Yeah, while we do that, I'll go over the recipe again, because I didn't put it in there for that long. 20 drops of brick, 10 drops of chartreuse dye, and that brick is Dead on Plastic, Lure Works chartreuse dye, 10 drops, 15 drops green chartreuse dye, also Lure Works. So those are our colors and our recipe. Oh yeah, we're like 320. That should do just fine. You know, and again, this is the Angling AI 7-inch shaky head that we're using. It is like a trick worm style, shaky head style bait. But yeah, so there we go. You know, you got greens, you got browns at certain angles and reds, kind of almost an amber color as well. But here in, like, you see thicker spots, or even in this, you got some reddish browns. So yeah, I think that this one works pretty well for a quick and dirty motor oil substitute. Yeah, so we'll just give that a couple minutes, and you know what? Yeah, no, we'll give that a couple minutes, and we'll be back. And yeah, so we'll see you guys once that's ready to go. All right, welcome back. Let's check it out. And getting that, oh, there goes Cam. Getting that brick everywhere today. But yeah, here we go. Let's check out our brick in the Angling AI 7-inch shaky heads. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Check that out. Tell me that doesn't look like motor oil. And so, you know, we got, you know, nice green. At the angle I'm seeing here, standing at, I'm getting some red. In fact, we'll pick this up. Spread it out here. But what we really want to do, I'm going to bring the camera around. So here, looking straight on, you can see the side where the light is coming from. Bring it up close so you can see the side where the light is coming from. You see green, and it fades over into like a tannish brown. And we bring it around over here. We've got kind of almost like the old school color dirty motor oil. Bring it around, away from the light, we get greener and greener. But yeah, so I think it's pretty cool. Got a lot of stuff going on there. A lot of colors mixed in. So yeah, this is brick motor oil. Just a little quick and dirty version of motor oil that you can make with easily acquirable componentry. Dead on plastics brick, 20 drops. Chartreuse dye from Lure Works, 10 drops. And green chartreuse dye from Lure Works, 15 drops. So 20 drops, 10 drops, 15 drops. Easy and simple. Gets you the sweet little rendition of motor oil. Here it is in the cup. So yeah, there it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love to hear your thoughts about my color here. And you know, so you can comment, tell me what you think. If you like the stuff I'm doing, you can like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time.